What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. We got another What's in the Box video for you, where we're looking at the Revell 125th scale Bre Datsun 240Z. That is Brock Racing Enterprises. Bre. I actually just finished another unboxing and I had to look at what that said, what that meant, because I forgot. He was a driver in the Datsun, whatever, Bre Datsun. This was another eBay make offer score, open box, sealed inside. It's definitely not a new kit by any means, but you know, you may not have ever seen what's inside of it, so we're gonna open it up and let you do that. The decals, I've already peeked inside of it and looked, and the decals look fantastic. I mean, they don't look yellowed, they look great. So pretty stoked on that. 1970 to 71 national champion. So I guess that was the driver. Pete Brock was the owner of the enterprise, I guess. I don't know, I'll have to do a little bit more Googling. I just know that it's a really cool Datsun. I'm a huge Datsun fan. Pretty stoked that these decals are on it. I've got an idea for a build coming up. We're going to use the Revell transport trailer to fill it full of new Datsuns, as if they were on their way to the dealership. Revell manual, good looking instruction sheets. They're pretty good quality. That's nice. We'll go to the big bag right away, and you can see it's a sealed bag. The plastic's not too bad, so you know, I'm not sure where it was kept, but oops, parts. You got random parts coming out. What was that? That looks like doctor. Yeah, that's just a part of a tree. And that one, I'm not sure, part of a mirror, but nonetheless, we'll put that off to the side and put them back in the box. You never know. Well, that's just trash. Right to the body, the 240. I built a 260. Was it a 260 or a 280? I don't remember. It was a ZX. I've got another 240 that's a stock version. This is a race version that I'm really looking forward to seeing in here. Seeing the motor. Oof. Oh man. Yikes. Just the placement of that isn't great. But no, I'll cut it off really carefully. Good looking body. Wow. That's a hideous mold line right in a really bad spot. That is gonna suck getting that off of there. Right next to the logo. Ugh. Bummer. It's on both sides. It's really big. Ew, that's kind of a drag. But I'll fix it. I'll make it work. Got a looks like a rear spoiler, fire extinguisher, starter, some kind of support thing, roll bar. Again, this is a race car, which you can see it's got seat options. You've got your stock option for both, and then a race bucket for one. Oh, look at that header. Single piece 6-pipe header, and then dual exhaust, straight pipe, no muffler or anything. Brap. Wow, that thing probably sounded amazing. Your front nose piece. Hope that lines up right. It's a good looking car. It's a really good looking car. Oh yeah, there's the other one of those, so it looks like it was probably a mirror. And then some engine dress-up parts, engine compartment details. I did notice that there's some other extra good stuff. Nice big radiator, steering wheel with a little bit of flash going on there. Surprised you don't see more of these. It's a great looking kit. Not sure what that is. Another Valance. Wow, look at that. Glorious. Oh, nice tips for the spark plugs. So it's going to be a bit of a challenge to get the wiring to fit on that, but I'll figure it out. Good looking details, even on the underside of the transaxles. Excuse me. Yeah. And then clutch, brake, and then where's the gas pedal? See a gas pedal. Is that it? Yeah, that must be the accelerator. Good details on the suspension components. All nice solid plastic. Master cylinder. Interior tub underside chassis, which is pretty plain, which makes sense because it's a race car. There's not a whole lot of details to look at there. It's just suspension and exhaust. Interior door cards has a nice texture to it. Fuel tank and dashboard with instrument clusters. That looks like that's it for that tree. And then here's some hosing for the different hose dress-up stuff, tubing for the engine compartment. I noticed that on the when I was looking at the instruction sheet, it showed single piece glass, front and rear, and what is that? Not sure what those are. Maybe it must be something for the engine, I guess. Who knows? The tires look almost identical to the, I just did an unboxing of a Datsun 510. Yeah, it looks like the exact same tire. Nice solid, or hollow, soft rubber, wide race style tire. Wrap. And then last bag, the single chrome tree. Oh yeah. Triple 2-barrel side drafts. Wow, that's impressive. I've ridden in an old Datsun that had double side drafts, two barrels. That was a 4-banger. This is a 6-banger, so that's 2 barrels for each cylinder. That's a lot of fuel getting pumped down its throat. Valve cover, grill insert, good looking fan. That's a Datsun fan. Are you a Datsun fan? It's like one mirror, timing chain cover, linkage, the throttle linkage, and there's those same 4-spoke Coke bottle style wheels. So good looking kit. Looking forward to this one. That about does it for the Revell Bre Datsun 240Z. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.